After all the wandering through the desert, Moses stood before the people with one final, powerful message. "Listen up," he cried. "You're about to enter the promised land, but first you need to hear this." He told them that if they obeyed God's commands, blessings would pour out like never before. Blessings in the city, in the fields, in their homes, and even in their bread baskets. Their families would thrive, their enemies would flee, and everything they touched would succeed. But then Moses got serious. If you ignore God, things won't go so well. Curses would come instead, crops would fail, enemies would win, people would feel lost and afraid, and even itchy boils might show up. And worse, they might be thrown out of the land altogether. But wait, Moses wasn't done. He raised his voice and said, "Even if you mess up and end up far away, God will still be waiting. Just turn back to Him with your whole heart, and He'll bring you home." Then came the biggest moment of all. Moses pointed to two paths and said, "Today I set before you life and death, blessings and curses. Now choose life, so you and your children may live." And with hope in their hearts, the people looked ahead, ready to follow God into the land He had promised, knowing they had a choice, and that God was cheering them on the whole way.